Rickets, a bone disorder in children, is mainly caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B12. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin D. Correct answer. Option D, vitamin D. Saga Dawa, also known as the Triple Blessed Festival, is celebrated primarily in which Indian state? Option A, Himachal Pradesh. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Ladakh. Option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer. Option B, Sikkim. Which British Governor-General introduced the doctrine of lapse in India? Option A, Lord Curzon. Option B, Lord Ripon. Option C, Lord Dalhousie. Option D, Lord Mountbatten. Correct answer. Option C, Lord Dalhousie. Who is the former England cricketer, honoured with a knighthood in Rishi Sunak's resignation honours list for his services to cricket, and as the only sportsperson to make it to the list? Option A, James Anderson. Option B, Alistair Cook. Option C, Owen Morgan. Option D, Andrew Flintoff. Correct answer. Option A, James Anderson. Which of the following is not considered a major factor in soil formation? Option A, topography. Option B, parent material. Option C, living organisms. Option D, cattle grazing. Correct answer. Option D, cattle grazing. The Ganga River Basin, the largest river basin in India, covers approximately what percentage of India's total geographical area? Option A, 20%. Option B, 23%. Option C, 26%. Option D, 30%. Correct answer. Option C, 26%. What was the name of the agreement signed in 1665, between Shivaji Maharaj and the Mughals? Option A, Treaty of Salbai. Option B, Treaty of Purandar. Option C, Treaty of Bassein. Option D, Treaty of Raigad. Correct answer. Option B, Treaty of Purandar. In 2025, which U.S. city declared April 14 as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Day, to commemorate his legacy on equality and human rights? Option A, Chicago. Option B, Los Angeles. Option C, New York. Option D, Dallas. Correct answer. Option C, New York. Who authored the ancient Indian text, Natyashastra, which lays the foundation for classical performing arts? Option A, Tulsidas. Option B, Bharata Muni. Option C, Vyasa. Option D, Chanakya. Correct answer. Option B, Bharata Muni. Which Indian state is widely known as Dev Bhumi, or the Land of Gods? Option A, Uttarakhand. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Odisha. Option D, West Bengal. Correct answer. Option A, Uttarakhand. Who won the IBSF World Billiards Championship 2024, held in Doha, Qatar? Option A, Pankaj Advani. Option B, Robert Hall. Option C, Aditya Mehta. Option D, Judd Trump. Correct answer. Option A, Pankaj Advani. India is expected to be the fastest growing major economy in 2025, with a GDP growth rate of Option A, 6.0%. Option B, 6.3%. Option C, 6.5%. Option D, 7.0%. Correct answer. Option C, 6.5%. Which of the following is not a loan category, under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? Option A, Shishu. Loans up to 50,000 rupees. Option B, Kisha. Loans from 50,001 rupees to 5 lakh rupees. Option C, Tarun. Loans from 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. Option D, Pragati. Loans from 10 lakh rupees to 20 lakh rupees. Correct answer. Option D, Pragati. Loans from 10 lakh rupees to 20 lakh rupees. Which country will host the 2025 United Nations Climate Change Conference? Option A, Germany. Option B, United States. Option C, Italy. Option D, Brazil. Correct answer. Option D, Brazil. Yakshagana, a traditional folk dance drama form, originates from which Indian state? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Jharkhand. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Rajasthan. Correct answer. Option A, Karnataka. When was the National Rifle Association of India, the apex body for shooting sports in India, established? Option A, 1949. Option B, 1951. Option C, 1957. Option D, 1963. Correct answer. Option B, 1951. Which airport was named the world's best airport for 2025 by Skytrax, marking the 13th time it has received this top honor? Option A, Hamid International Airport. Option B, Tokyo Haneda Airport. Option C, Hong Kong International Airport. Option D, Singapore Changi Airport. Correct answer. Option D, Singapore Changi Airport. What is the name of the corrosion prevention method that uses zinc to coat metals like iron or steel? Option A, annealing. Option B, galvanization. Option C, plating. Option D, smelting. Correct answer. Option B, galvanization. At the Adar Samvad 2025, which state received awards for Best Performance in Mandatory Biometric Updates for Children and Adult Adar Enrollment Verification? Option A, Assam. Option B, Manipur. Option C, Tripura. Option D, Meghalaya. Correct answer. Option D, Meghalaya. Which important document was adopted at the first Climate and Health Africa Conference, CHAC 2024, to guide Africa's response to climate change and health challenges? Option A, Harare Declaration. Option B, Durban Statement. Option C, Accra Commitment. Option D, Lusaka Accord. Correct answer. Option A, Harare Declaration. Under which article of the Indian Constitution is the Lok Sabha required to elect a Speaker and a Deputy Speaker? Option A, Article 85. Option B, Article 89. Option C, Article 93. Option D, Article 97. Correct answer. Option C, Article 93. The Zero Poverty Mission in Uttar Pradesh has been named after which leader by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer. Option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Where is the headquarters of the International Big Cat Alliance located? Option A, Geneva. Option B, New York. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Thimphu. Correct answer. Option C, New Delhi. What is the name of the turmeric variety recently developed by Indian Institute of Spices Research, that has a light-colored rhizome and high yield, suitable for the masala industry? Option A, IISR Surya. Option B, IISR Nadan. Option C, IISR Suvarna. Option D, IISR Rajapuri. Correct answer. Option A, IISR Surya. Which type of forest is also known as tropical deciduous or dry forests? Option A, mangrove forest. Option B, boreal forest. Option C, monsoon forest. Option D, coniferous forest. Correct answer. Option C, monsoon forest.